Good morning, my name is Dewane Farmer, lead fire fleet technician for the City of McKinney Fleet Department, and this is our 2024 Frazer 14-foot med unit front door entry. We as a department went to the Wayland core system several years back. Our police department were the first ones to do it. We've now integrated into our fire department system. Not only can you program the headlight, warning lights with the core system, we also can program the siren to multiple different siren tones to meet the needs of what the fire department and paramedics that ultimately are making the calls to save lives want in the vehicle. So on the Wayland core system, this is basically off. This switch here is totally programmable. So we can program every switch to what the paramedics want to see when they're trying to respond to a call. Usually all the way over activates everything on the med unit, all the warning lights, the sirens. One of the biggest complaints that we get from our drivers and captains of our engines and ladder truck companies is when they're behind a med unit that it is very bright and very blinding. With the core system, we can take and program where the back half of the lights, we can dim it if it is an issue with the emergency piece of equipment that is following them. We give the firefighters or paramedics individual bunk out compartments. It has a spot for their bunker coats, fire helmets, air pack, flashlight. This is our second compartment. It also has a spot for a set of irons. We went to the Harrison hPower system of the three options that was made available to us. After going through training with Harrison yesterday, was very impressed with the online telemetry that we can monitor the air conditioning system, the electrical system, the idle validation, seeing how much fuel we're saving and this, that, and the other with the Harrison hPower system. This med unit is our very first front door entry med unit. All of our previous med units we have had, they were a side entry door into the med unit. This will be our first door forward entry design. So one of the great benefits of the door forward and why our paramedics are looking forward to it, anytime they have a patient inside of the med unit or a car accident, depending on what the situation is. Currently, the way with our med units, the way they are designed, the officer, police officer, fire captain, chief, or whatever can come right in and being right in the middle of their paramedics' doings of working on the patient. The door forward puts that officer, firefighter, captain, chief behind the paramedics and allowing them to be able to do their work to take care of the patient. The air conditioning system, Frazer forever, has had one of the best air conditioning systems in my opinion on the market. AC is always a big thing in the state of Texas, and looking forward to seeing how well this system holds up to our previous Frazer units that we had 16 years ago. The bumper that we chose on this med unit, the reason why we went behind it is over several years and several designs of med units, we went from push bumpers to a full quantity push bumper on the front of the med unit. One of the biggest reasons why us in the fleet department like this bumper is the fact that when we're maintaining the engine, we don't have to crawl up and over a push bumper to get to the engine. We can basically use the bumper as a platform to stand up and do work on the engine if we need to.